What's up, you guys? Back with another video. Like I said in the last video, I'm going to be doing the fix on the power steering where it has the stud. So for any of my KA guys that are running the Chase Bays power steering relocation kit, this right here, I'll have a link to it in the description. I'm by no means sponsored by Chase Bays, but I'm just going to give you guys the link to fix all your problems with a leaking power steering pump off of that stud. So that's what today's video is going to be about. I'm going to do way less talking on this one, and we're going to go straight to the action. Alright, so what you guys are going to need: a 15/16 deep socket. First, you'll have to take off your line, which I believe that's 18. It's a 3/4 in standard, but it's 18 to get your nut off of the stud, and then the 15/16 to pop this loose, which I've already done. We'll go ahead and pull this one out, and then once you get this one out, the new one from Chase Bays completely eliminates the need for the stud, which, as you can see there. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it into a time lapse from here and show you the finished product after it's done. And also, another thing to note, Chase Bays does supply 2 new washers. Just make sure that you have one on the top, which would be right under the bolt head, and then one underneath your fitting before you put this on. If you put this on without this bottom washer, it is guaranteed to leak, so make sure you do not forget that. Give everything a nice little wipe. If I had some brake clean right now, I would use it just to make sure that you're getting everything so you can check for leaks when you're going to test the power steering out. I still have another fix I need to do, which I believe it's my front main seal. Let's see if I can get you guys over here. So I think the front main seal, wow, that's dark. I think the front main seal might be leaking because when the car is running, there's a small little dribble that'll roll around right here and drip off the side of the oil pan. But the only way for me to find out is to pop off that crank pulley and see if I have maybe a seep or something going around the front main seal, because everything with the water pump is dry. Everything here is dry. So while I'm in the process of doing these rear tail lights as well, if anybody has a connection for some Koki tail lights in the center section as well, let me know. I'll put my email in the description. So if anybody does have either a set that they are trying to get rid of or someone that's trying to get rid of a set, send me an email, let me know, because I do not like these tail lights. little bit of an all over the place kind of video there, but wanted to get something out to you guys pertaining to that power steering pump stud. Like I said, down in the description I will have the link either to Chase Bays or to Drift HQ. Both of them sell it. It's obviously working. I'll go ahead and show you guys after running it for the last 20 minutes or so. You can see no leaks. Still got a spinning turbo over here. No leaks. Everything's clean and clear. So it's proven to work. But like I said, just a all over the place video. Tail lights put back in, did the Chase Base power steering bolt, and then also did some two-step stuff. So that's awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Drop in the comments, you guys, what you guys want to see. Like, the car is getting really close to being to the point of taking it to events and doing all of that stuff. So let me know what you guys want to see. Do you want me to see me slide it? Do you want to see me take it to the drag strip? Do you want to see me go to the streets of Mexico? What do you want me to do? I'd love to hear your guys' feedback. Obviously, I'd love to do everything with this car, just down to the last little bits of things. I still need to do a little bit more tuning on fuel. It likes to cut out a lot, and these motors like to run hot, so I gotta figure that situation out. I might have to go to air to water intercooler, run some ice through this thing just to keep the IATs down, because they got up to 120. It's kind of insane. But yeah, drop it in the comments, you guys. Don't forget as well, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one.